Hey guys, it's me Icy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an anime header like I've shown in my last two videos. Unfortunately, I thought I was talking throughout the video, but I wasn't. I had no voice on when I was recording, so I'm just going to voice over, yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to add these two characters that I found on Google. It's Jujutsu Kaisen if you guys are interested. Also, by the way, the things I use in this video will also be in the description below. And yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna fit these two characters as I see fit. Alright, so now as I adjusted the characters, I'm gonna make the background black, and I'm gonna add lighting to the back of the character, the first character, and I'm gonna change the lighting to a red color, so go to hue and saturation and change it to red. Okay, and now I'm just gonna adjust it so as I see fit, and I'm just gonna duplicate both the character layers and add a blur on 30% for both of them. And once I do that, I'm gonna go to blending and change it to linear color and make the opacity to like the 70s or 80%. Same thing for the other one, blending a linear color and then put the opacity to 80 to 70%. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a dust particle, so which I usually add on every anime header that I've posted on YouTube. So I'm just gonna duplicate it, one on top and one on the bottom. And once I put it in the right position, I will blur it to I think around 50%, as you'll see in just a few moments. So for this part, I'm just gonna speed it up because I had difficulties with the images I had provided myself with. So I'm just gonna speed this up. Alright, so at this point, I added a new background, I merge it together, then I duplicate the layer, change the color, and put it to multiply. Now I'm gonna add text, and I'm gonna position it where I want it to be, and then I'm going to change the color of the text to white. Now I'm gonna duplicate the layer twice and change those colors of those two layers to black, and then I'm gonna merge them. So right now, I'm going to cut the first half of the text, as you see what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna split half of it, and then I'm just gonna duplicate it, go back to it, hide it, unhide it, and then same thing, but this time I'm going to go back and then invert selection. I'm trying to find it right now, I can't find it for some reason, but invert selection on the top left corner of the screen, and then I'm gonna duplicate it. Alright, so now I'm going to the first layer and put the opacity down to around 79, and then go down to the second layer and put it to around 87. Alright, so now I'm going to the bottom layer, the original layer, and then make it so you see white behind the two layers. I'm just gonna fix it right now as I see fit. Alright, so now I'm gonna duplicate all three layers, and I'm going to duplicate it, change the color to red or like a yellowish color, and then put the blending option to color, I believe. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this circle, and then I'm gonna go to format, arrange and convert to pixels, and I'm gonna make it smaller so it fits each individual character. I'm gonna skip you because I don't think there should be lighting on you, but I'm going to put each circle on each individual letter. After you applied each circle on each individual letter, you're gonna want to merge it together and go to format, style, fill, color, white, and then go to add effects, go to blur and change it to around 90, and then go back to format, blending, and then go to overlay. So now I'm gonna merge the text layer and make it bigger because I feel like it was kind of small before. So now I'm just gonna fix the lighting so it matches the text. Alright, so now I'm gonna duplicate the text layer, add effects, blur to 30%. Now go to blending and go to linear color. I just feel like this, and then bring the opacity down to around 80. So now I just feel like this will make the text a little bit better. After applying the hue and saturation to the text layer, I'm going to go to the character layer and adjust the colors. Alright, so I'm gonna go to format, adjust colors, and I'm just gonna adjust the color of the skin or the character to match the background layer. After adjusting both of the colors of each skin, I'm gonna copy to photos and go to PixArt. So now I'm on Pixart, and I'm gonna be using premium effects because I have the premium version of Pixart. So if you guys don't have the premium version, there should be a deal that should have premium for like a few days. I'm not sure, but this is the end of the video. I'm just gonna be showcasing the effects I use on Pixar, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, and I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.